Okay, so this formula allows you to calculate the principal in an account that has been accumulating annually compounded interest, where A is the current amount and I is the annual interest rate, and N is the number of years. Okay, so 5 years ago, N is deposited on amount, okay, amount of 7.5%. So they tell you the interest is 7.5% compounded annually, and today the amount is 4,200. So what was the original amount? Okay, and this was 5 years ago, so N is equal to 5, okay? Okay, so we gotta put down 4,200, replace A with that. This in decimal is 0.075, so that's 1.075 when you add it to 1, and you get to the power of negative 5 there. Okay, I'm gonna punch that in the value in the calculator later, so let's go to B. How much was this account 2 years ago? Okay, 2 years ago. That means, so what was the amount in its initial deposit? That's, okay, so that means 2 years ago. So in 5 years, right, it's this. Okay, so we can actually switch this back. We can actually, this actually means P, A over 1 plus I to the power of N. So A actually is, if you multiply both sides by 1 plus I to the power of N, 1 plus I to the power of N, that cancels out, and A is principal 1 plus I to the power of N. So 2 years ago is when N is 3. Okay, 3 years in from the amount principal was deposited. Okay, so this is still principal. Okay, and we're gonna, so that right there, I put where that should be. And this is gonna be still 1.075, and then we're talking about 3. So do you see how they have the same base? So this is the same as 4,200, 1.075 to the power of negative 2. Okay, so that's what it was 2 years ago. How much will the account will be in 2 years from now? So that's when N is equal to 7. Okay, so the principal is right here again. The 1.075 when N is 7. So this is 1.07075 to the power of 2. Okay. All right, so now we need to punch in the calculator and get all of these values. All right, so 4,200 times by power of negative 5. Yeah, I recommend you try plugging in yourself as well, 1.075. So this is 2925546, so 55. And this here is just going to be negative 2. So 3634.40, round it up to the cent. And then the last one is just power of positive 2. You get the 4853.63 if you round it up to the cent.